guys, good day to wherever in the world you are watching this video from. So I've got this HDMI splitter. The reason I got this is because I have a Onkyo amp, and typically what happens is if you want to split a single HDMI a channel into two separate outputs. So normally then most of the new amplifiers come with a single HDMI output, and typically if you have, let's say, a projector and a TV at the same time for outputs, sometimes you might want to watch a movie or Tata Sky probably on your HD on your TV, and at times you might want to watch the same on the projector. So typically that becomes an issue because you have to keep on switching the cables to the HDMI out of your amplifier. So I've been waiting for some time for this product to come. I think it's released about a couple of months back, and it's by this brand called Kinevo. They have a couple of products specifically for HDMI splitters. There are 4 or 5 models that they have. This is a single HDMI out, and then this splits into two outputs. So but the thing with this is you can use only one output at a time. There's a small button here, so let me unbox this product, and let's see what's in it. So they've packed the box very well. It's got a small manual here, table of contents, and probably details on how to connect the cable. So here, if you see, there's this is for your input and this is for your output. At the same time, you can reverse it, and you can use 2 inputs and 1 output, so you can use it both ways. So here you'll see the diagram. There's mode 1, wherein you have your media player and maybe a DVD player that connects 2 inputs, and you have 1 single output, or you have 2 inputs, or rather you have 1 input and you have 2 outputs. So you can use it in 2 different modes. So that's one unique selling point of this particular product. It's got a small button onto the. So let's open it. This is the first time I'm opening it. It's very neatly packed, and it seems like a good quality product. It's well designed. It's got very good material. Not sure if this is metal. It seems like some sort of hard metal. You can hear the sound. So it supports 4K. So let me just show you some of the specifications quickly so you can take a look. So yeah, it has 2 HDMI inputs and 1 HDMI output, or in mode 2 where you have 1 HDMI input and 2 HDMI outputs. It supports as you can see, HDMI 2.0, and also supports 4K 60Hz 1080p. So here I got this for around 1,000 rupees, I think, on Amazon India. Although the price here is written as 1,500, that probably is the MRP. But this is the model 240BN 4K 60. They also have other models, but this is the one I specifically wanted. So it's not manufactured in India. In fact, as you can see, it's a direct import. Pretty well designed, and fits my requirement of what I really need to use it for. So here what I would be doing is, so from my amplifier I have 1 single HDMI out, which typically either goes to my projector currently or to my TV, and I have to keep on switching it now and then physically, which becomes a real pain. So now what I would be doing is I would be connecting the HDMI out from the amplifier into this slot, and 1 output to the TV and 1 output to the projector. So whenever I feel like switching to the projector, I just press this button, and it would alternate between the TV and the projector. There are other higher models available which are more expensive, and those come with a remote as well. So you can probably just sit on your chair and use the remote and alternate between either the projector or your TV, or with whatever other outputs you might have or inputs in the modes you are respectively using it for. If you notice closely, the HDMI ports they are all gold tipped. So that's something that talks highly about the quality. The model number is a 240BN. In case you want to purchase it, the link will be in the description, so you can go and take a look. and purchase it if you'd like. If you're from India, I'm sure on Amazon. If you're from somewhere else in the world and you'd want to purchase this, it's available on Amazon.com as well. I'll put the link in the description for that as well. I'm going to connect this, see how it works, and give you my feedback in the next video that I will be uploading in addition to this. Connecting this also does not require any power supply, so you just use your HDMI cable and it would automatically power itself without any additional power requirement. The other models I think do require power, I'm not sure, but I would suggest you go ahead and get this if you have this sort of requirement. Just keep in mind that you cannot keep both the outputs playing at the same time, so that would probably require another type of splitter which parallelly sort of outputs both the channels at the same time. But I'm not sure of the quality, but these guys are known for their quality as well as reliability. Thank you for watching this video, and give this video a like if you like it. If you have any questions, you can always message me on Instagram or on YouTube as well. You can put your comment and I'll quickly respond to any queries that you might have, whether it's with regards to installing, the type of support available, where can you use this particular device. So put down your questions and I'll be happy to answer any of these questions. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.